Dudes, did you have a problem where your BMW Immobilizer would not start the car? Well, I had the same problem until the RAC man, recovery man, kindly came and took it out for me. And now it works without the Immobilizer. So, this heap of shite, which causes so many problems, is this, and it needs to be taken out. So basically all these, they get hooked up in between of all the other wires, so you just have to go around unhooking them and plugging them straight. If you got one of these, I think it's a Scorpio Immobilizer. And the last thing, which took us a while, it was hooked into this yellow wire there as well, and we just ripped it off, plugged it straight in from here, and it all works. So just to show you, no fobs, no immobilizers. Key in, boom, nice.